Each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14 with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? Okay, so it's a fair 14-sided die labeled with number from 1 through 14. That is like we have 14 sides on this die. On the first face we have number 1, second face number 2. In this way, we have number 14 on the 14th face. So when I roll this die, so what is the total number of all possible outcomes? 14 possible outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes is 14. So to get probability for this kind of questions in denominator, first I have to write the total number of all possible outcomes when experiment is done. Experiments are rolling this 14-sided die. So the total number of all possible outcomes is 4. And now in numerator, I have to write the number of possible outcomes for the event for which I have to find the probability. So here, according to the question, I have to find probability for getting number 2. So what is the total number of possible outcomes for getting number 2? So there is only one possible outcome because there are 14 sides, and to get number 2, so there is only one possible outcomes that we have to write in numerator. So this is the probability required of rolling a 2. So we find 1/14 in option A. The correct answer choice for this question is option A.